Welcome to our JavaScript journey. Today we are diving into the building blocks of this powerful programming language. Today we are mainly going to focus on variables, arrays, functions, objects, loops. So, what is a variable? Imagine a variable as a box. You can put anything inside the box and you can change what's inside later. In JavaScript, we use variables to store data like numbers, text, or even objects. Here is a basic example. We'll create a variable called name and store the value Naruto in it. So let name is equal to Naruto and console.log name. So this will give the output as Naruto. And JavaScript has several data types including numbers, strings, booleans, arrays, objects, and more. Let's explore some of them. Numbers can be integers or decimals. So here is one such example. Let age is equal to 25 and let pi is equal to 3.14159. So this is we assign a number to a variable either in integer or a decimal number. Strings are used to represent text. So here's some let message is equal to hello world is the example. Booleans. Booleans represents true or false values. So let is sunny is equal to true is the example of boolean. Arrays are ordered collections of values. They can store elements of the same or different data types. Let fruits is equal to, let's take a variable fruits and assign apple, banana, orange in an array, and we'll print it console.log fruits 0. This is index value 0. It will give output as apple. And let's further continue with functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They can take input arguments and return a value. So this is how the syntax for an example of a function. This is how we return a function. Function greet name console.log hello plus name plus exclamatory mark, and we call the function greet here with the Naruto. So these will give hello Naruto with exclamatory marks. And let's go to objects. Objects are collections of key value pair. Each key represent a property and its corresponding value is the property's value. So here is the example of objects. Let person is equal to open a curly braces, and you should give a semicolon at the last and name Naruto age 16 city Japan, and we should give a comma here. So let's print that. So here console.log person.name, you can access properties using dot notation or bracket notation. Console.log person.name will give output as Naruto, and console person age, this is bracket notation. Don't forget to give this quotation mark on age. So this will give output as 16. So for loop. Loops are used to represent a block of code multiple times. There are several types of loops in JavaScript, including for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So let I is equal for let I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Console.log I. This will give output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is less than 5. We have covered a lot of program today, but this is just the beginning. Thank you.